Princess, where? Hello. Mwale. Princess. Bebe. Na me they talk to you na. Kiligodim na. Eto me jimoke ebe na. K1. And I make what? So a beautiful lady like you shouldn't be standing on this coachy song. I beg, give me that format. Can I balance your stage or say so? Get away. Eh? Get away. See that boy where they go. Now my junior brother be that. Now my junior brother be that. Listen to it for this hood. For this hood. I just need to tell him kaka. He will tell him van. He just they told me they go. He will tell him van. I don't know what to do now. I'm more with Larry for this area. Everybody knows. All my family do promote. I don't know my car. Side again. Second boy and get away. Just when can I go to a pink coat? Maybe to get it from there. Eh, no baby na. Eh? Want something now? But no more kuna. Wow, for eh? No, the way you are dressed, I don't need to be told. They won't win. Money you na no come like your pops man. Up now, you can't come off for son. Come papa get big and way. Ebe dog a cover get gatara. A beautiful girl like you needs a man like me. How are you? What's your name? What Don Larry na bodo? This is Don Larry. You gonna have Princess get it. I like that smile. I like that smile. I get it. Yeah. You are protected. Just ball lines. Ball lines.
Humble. Princess Ade.
You think so you're wise?
Kenyo.
Run. Why are you running? Why are you running?
I get working.
Wakoma bianu o. Wakoma. Wakoma bianu.